Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, let's take tabletop pose. Palm heel underneath your shoulders, knee open about your hip distance, tuck your toes. And inhale, look up, take cow pose. Exhale, tuck your chin, roll your back, cat pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, tailbone up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone and chin down. Inhale, drop your belly. And exhale, engage your core. Try to feel the deep abdominal muscle. And exhale. Inhale, tailbone up, widen your collarbones. Exhale. Navel engage to the spine. And exhale. One more big inhale. And exhale, roll your back. Back to neutral center. Now, lay down on your back. Bend your knees, bring your heels close to your hips. And you can keep your palms side or even up to your belly. Okay? And inhale, tuck your tailbone and lift up your hips. Engage your glute. And exhale, slowly lower your hips. Okay, we're gonna do pelvic tilt. Inhale, engage your core. And slightly lift up your hips. And exhale, roll your back down, flat on the floor. Inhale, tilt your tailbone and lifting up. Exhale, flat down to the mat. Very subtle movement, subtle and control movement. And use your deep abdominal muscle to lift up your hips. Control your movement by using your breath. And keep your back flat down on the mat. And here, inhale and palm this side, palm facing down. Inhale, let's take little bridge pose. Inhale as you exhale, lifting up your hips. And knees through your chest, create one straight line. And use your glute. Heels down. Use abdominal muscle to keep your hips up. Let's take 5 deep breaths. Deep inhale gently, slowly, with control. Bring your hips down on the mat. Okay, so now slowly come to seated pose. Okay, so now let's take modified side plank pose. Okay, elbows down underneath your shoulders, and back knee bent, and top knee straight. Okay, pointing your toes straight. And inhale as you exhale, slowly bring your hips up and try to create heel to shoulder one line. Inhale, exhale, lifting up and down. Inhale, exhale, up and down, up and down, up, down. One more. Inhale, exhale, lifting up hips and down. And now let's do the other side. Elbow underneath your shoulder. Bottom knee bent. Top knee straight and parallel. Your toes parallel. And inhale. Exhale, lifting up your hips. And keep your shoulder to the heel one line. And down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale to lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale to bring it down. Inhale. Exhale. One more deep inhale. And exhale down. And now, knee together. And straighten your knee. And let's take Dandasana. Okay? Toes lifting up. Flex your toes. Inhale. Exhale, forward bend. You can grab your shin or ankle, your toes. Inhale, exhale to release. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, soften your belly. Soften your chest. And inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Okay, so now let's take Sukhasana. Sitting on nice and easy, cross your legs. And palms on the belly. And inhale, exhale, breathe. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, slightly engage your abdominal muscle. to empty the air. Inhale, fill up the air within your body. Exhale, use your core to empty the air out of the body. Breathe by using your abdominal muscle. Try to use deep muscle within your belly. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!